You may want to hide your featured photos on Facebook from the public, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to private featured photos on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you how to access our featured photos or how to get there and how to view that. So let's just go ahead and open up our Facebook app right over here. And from the home page, you can click on your profile icon right here, right below the Facebook icon. So tap on that, and that should get you to your profile page. Now from here, we can scroll down a bit, and under the See Your About Info option right over here, you should be able to see your featured photos listed on this part of your profile page. So I currently have one collection or one featured photos collection on my Facebook profile, this one. So for example, I want to private this featured photo. So it is the featured photos on Facebook has a default setting of being shown to the public. So actually there is no option to private the featured photos, but we can have a turnaround on that. So what we're going to do is to tap on that certain featured photos collection. And then from here, we can click on this three-dotted icon at the top right part of the screen. And you should be able to see the option that says Edit Featured Collection. So tap on that. And for example, you want to private one featured photo. So you can just simply deselect that photo like that, tap on that so that the check mark will disappear, and you can just click on done, and that will basically hide that featured photo from the public. So that is how I basically private featured photos on Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.